Hello everybody. Hope you're all buckled in because we're going to take a little trip back to 2020 on this cardboard time machine. So strap yourself in. Let's get ripping. Now all these red ones I got on display, I think them come out of just the hanger. So I still remember wanting to grab a bunch of them, and that was about the time they were just first imposing their limits. You can no longer just go in there and dump them all in your shopping cart and go through checkout, or even try to sneak through self-checkouts. Alright, this gives us what? 7 packs plus 1 4-card bonus pack per box. That's going to be our gold minted ones. There's Chris Bryant. Cole Calhoun. Garrett Cole. Boy, they put his name real tiny down there in the corner there. I don't know if I've ever noticed that before or not. Trying to think whose video I was watching. Oh boy. Maybe I could. Oh, I think it was might have been the Pack Palace. I was watching one of his videos where he's opening up was it Don Russ? Basketball just come out, and he's getting all these press proofs. And he just it seemed like about half the box was press proofs. I think he had one of the first day boxes or something. Anyway, that's neither here nor there on this break. Just having a little flashback. Little New York Yankees. Time travel does that to a person. Luzardo. And Jacob Junis. Yeah, I had a fancy card I was going to put on display of his out of this set, but I went with the reds. Especially my Otani up there. That's pretty awesome. That's about my favorite. Well, on the where am I hiding it at? Yeah, the Soto. That's a good one there. Those are my favorites out of the reds. I'm sure it's just because they're team colors or that, but that's how us collectors work sometimes. Oh. Yeah, haven't done a rip for a while because letting these get a little dustier, a little more vintage. Ooh, got an orange coming up. Clevenger, Cleveland Indians. Indians back in the good old days. Now they're the guardians. Right. Brandon Belt. Gary Sanchez. Serial numbered 40 out of 299. It's pretty nice. Sure that all you Yankees fans like that. Yep. I gotta get me some more magnetics. I miss them. It's like that one would definitely go into magnetic right away. Now I'm kind of dilemmaed. Garcia, Robel. Oh yeah, there's the base card Sanchez. Oh, what a difference it makes, adding a little color and prism effect or refractor effect, since it's tops. Yeah, I haven't really got any of what, 2021 Tops Fire. God, I think one blaster I opened to that. I was hoping to find something more, but Willie Adames and Albert Ozole, or Alberto Ozole. Adbert. Yeah, that's a rookie. Ryan Zimmerman, Jorge Alfaro, Michael Kopech, that's White Sox, Elvis Andrews, Domingo Labia, rookie, Aaron Nola, yeah, and basketball. Did you guys see that John Morant on, what was it? Gotta get my days straight here. It would have been Monday night, I think. He like tore it up, got like 51 points. Guy did like a throw all the way down the court, from what I remember. He catches it in air, gets rid of it for a three before his feet hit the ground. And then he goes for a big old slam for the highlight reel or whatever over somebody. So I was like, boy, I was just, man, to have some PSA 10 stuff of his would be awesome. Or even ungraded for that matter. Yeah, I just don't think I'll ever send anything into PSA because I just don't like how the fact that they can hold your card hostage if they want to give you an upcharge it. And just to say, if you had a bunch of Zions in there and they held on to them for a year to where the price crashes, but yet they still give you like a charge you like peak value or however they do that. I just, no thanks. It's like that, and I don't even know if they'd grade the backs of the cards. And as far as that SCG, I think what is it? Yeah, I think that's it. It's like they won't give details of how of their grading specifics, how they come to a number. It's like I want to know how you guys, because he said like they had 32 points. I think he said they graded on. So I started trying to decipher what I thought it would be. I didn't watch the full interview, but just from my guy, I'd be like front, back, 1, 2, 4 corners on each side, front and back. So there you're up to 8, plus your edges, front and back. There you'd have another 4, 8. So I don't know. I'm getting up there that way, and then you got probably surface, and then centering, and I don't know. I come up a few, but hey, I'm not getting paid to grade cards. But it'd be hard to grade all these foils too, because just when they get cut, you can just kind of see, they're not like this one here. It's not, bam, right there. I can see a little corner, and it's, packed fresh, but yet you can see where that corner is almost dog-eared. I mean, it's not, but it's, since it's foil, you can just see how when it's cut, it's kind of, maybe you guys can't see that on the, in person you could, but anyway. Whee! Verlander, Polanco, and Christian Yelich. Yeah, try not to get too technical. It's like they're just cards, and they're just for your enjoyment, so. Alright, I think we got 3 packs to go here. Normally I'd save a couple, but hey, we haven't ripped open a box for almost a week. But like I said, I've just been on trying to get some stuff on eBay and going through stuff that I've already opened. I just need to sort through it and get some of it sold. Rafael Devers. Anthony Rizzo. Ooh, that's nice looking. Nelson Cruz. Single season slugging percentage record, 639. Yeah, video's getting a little choppy because I forgot I was all playing on YouTube and doing some editing and playing around. So I didn't get my phone charged up all the way before I started filming this. So I think we'll be alright, but it just won't be perfect. It seems like I've already seen a little choppiness, but Austin Hedges. Alright, we're almost there. Oh, buddy at work, I don't know why he's being so nice, other than I'm just trying to make him some money. I just keep telling him not to sell the stuff so cheap. It's like when he comes across it and finds it. But anyway, he gave me a killer deal on this, so I couldn't pass it up. So I'm going to rip this here later. I have to take down my whole set, and it's going to take so much time and effort, and might be days, but I think I'll get it done in minutes. Anyway, yeah, this looks like a sweet, fun rip. So, yeehaw. I haven't been out to go out in the wild. Gotta try and put a chain on my addiction. Keep it under control. Pujols, Max Kepler, Seth Brown, rookie. Yep, I'm gonna miss some baseball. Oh well, we got basketball we can watch. But yeah, who was I? Oh yeah. John Morant. What's that guy in the 76ers? He's leading like point percentage. You definitely want him. He'll probably be MVP for the year. The guy in the 76ers, leading points. I'll think of his name once I stop trying. There's Dominic. The sports card investor or whatever come up with a couple today. Halliburton, he went to the Pacers, and I think he's doing pretty good there, apparently. Or he's doing the same or a little hair better. Yeah. Need me a nap. Need to go hunting some zombies again later on this evening. I've been getting wrapped up in that. I finally beat one of the levels. Got all 5 stars knocked out, so it doesn't get any harder, and I survived. I might have been dead when the game ended, but it gave it to me anyway, so that counts. Got Brendan Rodgers. It's like my teammates carried me through it. Trent Grisham. We got Matt Chapman. Gold. We didn't get too many golds, did we? What, 4 of them? There's Matt Tace. Bradley Jr. And Danny Holtzen. Alright, this will keep me busy for a little bit. But yeah, I need to get back on eBay because I got my 250 listings for the month. So, since the first of the month, I'm good to go. Turn me loose. But yeah, it takes effort to pin yourself down to be able to sit and get that stuff done. Oh yeah, we still got the gold pack, don't we? That's what's going on. I thought we got more golds than that. But we got the Syndergaard. We got the orange Sanchez. And then we got these 3 gold ones so far. And then we'll open this pack and see what's up. And now I'm going to download this video. Oh, got that flamethrower. I forgot about that gold one. So we did get 4 so far, and then 2 colored ones. And we got a nice Jacob Junis there in the Royals. I think that was our only Royals. Unless I jibber-jabbered and spaced it off, but check my rookies real quick. Grisham, that was a good rookie. Tace, Matt Tees or something, I think, maybe. Holtzen, that was Danny. There's Dominic. Seth Brown, I think he's a good rookie. Labia, Azalea, and Zardo. Do a time check here. Almost 20 minutes. Get me a little drink here and just enjoy the ambiance. Check out the red ones there. Had the sun shining the last couple of days, melted all the snow. So I made me some sun tea. Man, I forgot how much I love sun tea. I won't buy that stuff in the bottle. It's like, no thanks. My mom loves it though. My mom and my sister, I guess. I don't know what their deal is. Alright. Brandon Lowe. Mauricio Dubon. Kind of got the old planets in the background there. John Lester, gold. Hinyan Ryu. Alright. So as long as I can stay awake, because in the morning I'm going to be out searching in the wild. Get out there in the wild, see if I can find me some more mosaic, or trying to think what else is out there. I know I should just, oh yeah, I haven't got any Series 1 2022 baseball, but hey, like I said, baseball's not starting for a while yet. They're going to give us, they're in a rain delay. It's going to be, oop, oh, for a minute there I thought we had a pack we could open. I guess we got through them all. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. But yeah, I'm going to get out in the morning and probably get me a box of Topps Series 1s. And hopefully a mega box of mosaic football. And I'll probably find all the football I could ever want, because I'll be broke. I figure I'll just have me a tiny limit this week. So, alright. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to y'all later.